Hi, I'm Yoni Assia. I'm the CEO and founder of eToro.com, the world's largest social investment network. Our vision is to open the global markets for everyone to trade and invest in a simple and transparent way. On eToro's open book, there are more than 2.5 million people who can see, follow, and copy investments from one another. While other companies here show you how to save money, at eToro, we're going to show you how to harness the wisdom of the crowds to make money. So this is how it works. We'll start by looking at my Facebook feed. So everybody is buzzed about the new iPhone 5. But now, with eToro trading account connected to my social graph, I can actually see that Tal Ben-Simon just bought Apple. I just click that link to go directly into a page where I can buy the stock. I just choose the amount, and now I can just confirm the trade and share it with my friends that I just bought Apple stock on my eToro trading account, and they can all see it in my profile and can comment about the fact that I just bought Apple stock. The real beauty and magic behind social trading is that everybody has this profile open on the network. And you can see in eToro rankings the top traders in the network. In eToro rankings, you have thousands of traders all around the world which show their performance, and you can choose which one to follow and copy. As quick examples, we can take the top guy here from Spain with almost 4,000 people copying him with real money, and this guy made 13% over the last 6 months. The second girl here has almost 3,000 copiers and made 45% gain in her real trading account, which she publishes on eToro. And the German, you can see his risk tolerance is much lower and his drawdown is much smaller. On the left, you can see the advanced finder and build your own rankings. For each of these people, you can drill down and click a profile. For example, we'll click Anna Marius, a top trader from Lithuania. This guy has 20,000 followers, as you can see on the left. He has 1,300 people copying him in real time, which probably makes him the largest investment house in Lithuania. And you can see his feed and see people talking with him about what's going in the markets. You can see him talking about the Fed QE that was just announced and people responding and talking to him. I can go into deeper statistics and see his performance over the past year. I can see his gain on different time periods. I can see that he's made 67% in the last 12 months. But I can also see his social statistics. I can see that his copiers, the amount of people copying him with real money, surged recently, probably because he's been communicating well with the community. I can see also what he's trading through his portfolio. I can watch that he's mainly focused on euro-dollar trading. And I have access to see all of his open and closed trades throughout time. Now, for me, that's enough to decide that this is a great trader, and I would like to invest in this trader. All I need to do is click the copy button, and when I click the copy button, I just, again, simply choose an amount, like $100, and click on Copy Trader to start copying this person in real time. This means that every trade that he does in his trading account will automatically be done in my trading account. If he buys gold, I buy gold. He buys euro-dollar, I buy euro-dollar. His account makes 10%, my account makes 10% on the money I allocated on him. And that's copy trading, which I now shared with my social graph. Now, I can go back to seeing my entire portfolio. So this is my portfolio, my people-based portfolio, where you can see that all the people I copied over the past quarter actually made me money in my portfolio, and you can see exactly how much money they've made, while myself in manual trading lost money on my account. Now, that's no surprise. We have research with MIT that shows that social trading is significantly superior to any type of manual trading constantly over the past year's data. Now, in my people-based portfolio, I can actually go over all my active copies and decide whether I want to add or remove funds or stop copying any of them. But social investing is not only about profit and loss. It's about social engagement. And therefore, I also get badges, and I can see the badges of everybody else in the system. So I can see, for example, I'm a social guru. I can see whether I'm a portfolio builder, whether I'm a debate mate, and active in the discussions. And this gives another dimension of social engagement for the people who you want to copy. But we are here today to launch something really amazing, the first ever social index. A social index is basically a people-based index that lets you invest collectively on the wisdom of the crowds. So instead of going to rankings and try to choose the top traders, a social index does that automatically. If we will look at the profile of a social index, what we can see, we've basically built robots that our community actually builds. So you can see that this social index was created by one of our users. And each social index has an algorithm where they go over the rankings and build the index components of different traders. So you can see the index components and you have the actual price of the social index. This is the first ever people-based social index. We have invented social investing and we just made it much, much better. So to test the experience and to log in, you can all now check under your seats. You should have a free gift card from eToro. Okay, not really. We're not Oprah. It's not under your seats. But you can actually come to our booth and get a free gift card to use the system and to start your social investing experience before everybody else. And don't forget to vote for eToro as best of show. Thank you very much and have fun social investing.